Unlocking the meaning of clip bin. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, clip bin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in context. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the full phrase, let's break it down word by word. Clip. Clip can mean a short segment or part cut out from something, especially in the context of videos or audio. When you think of clip, imagine a small piece of a movie or song. Bin. Bin is another word for a container or a storage place. Just like a trash bin is where you store waste, in digital contexts, a bin can be where you store certain types of files or data. When you combine these two words, clip bin usually refers to a digital space or folder where short video or audio segments are stored for editing or later use. Imagine you're editing a movie, and you have several short video pieces you want to use. Instead of scattering them everywhere, you'd store them in a clip bin for easy access. To ensure clarity, let's see how clip bin can be used in a sentence. Before finalizing the documentary, the editor checked the clip bin for any unused footage. Save that highlight in the clip bin, we might use it for the promo. This phrase is particularly popular in fields related to video production, editing, and broadcasting. So there you have it. The term clip bin is a nifty phrase often used in the world of video and audio editing, referring to a storage space for clips. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the term confidently. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the English language.